The space race began in 1957 when Russia launched Sputnik, the first satellite to orbit the Earth. In 1961, Russia sent the first person into space. Cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin orbited the Earth. Less than 1 month later, the United States launched the Freedom 7 containing Alan Shepard. 9 months later, John Glenn orbited the Earth. Inspired by these successes, President John F. Kennedy announced that the United States will go to the moon by the end of the decade. During the early and mid-60s, the space race between Russia and America was neck and neck. With the Apollo 8 mission, astronauts Frank Borman, James Lovell, and William Anders became the first men to break free of the Earth's gravity and actually orbit the moon. How cool is that? In 1969, Apollo 11 finally landed people on the moon. Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins took 3 days to reach the moon. Neil Armstrong was the first man to walk on the moon.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Other men went to the moon too. They brought back geologic samples which helped us learn more about how the Earth was formed.
Are you getting a TV picture now, Houston? Beautiful view. Isn't that something?
We're still exploring space. Some people argue that we need to go out into space to discover how the universe began and see if life exists elsewhere. Other people say we must stop spending money on space exploration. We have to solve our problems here on Earth. You know, I wanted to go to Mars, but then I learned that it will take about 3 years to get there, and of course 3 years to get back.